Hi, I'm Stephen Newton. I'm the founder and CEO of Elixirr. We've had a fantastic first half of the year. Our proposition is continuing to resonate so well with our clients. And the additions we've added to the business, the assets that we've acquired, have really started to integrate well. The IPO was initially teeing up a growth strategy that was twofold, organic and inorganic. We are being fastidious in making sure that the foundation stones we've put in place for organic growth are maximized and capitalized on. And what we're seeing there is, for example, 42 brand new clients have come into us through organic channels. This is again a testament to my partner team and their performance, but also equally is 7 gold clients. This shows how we're deepening our relationships. So those core attributes that made this business great, even prior to our IPO and gave us the momentum, are still there. And we couple that with the inorganic growth strategy. So these two things are very complementary. This is why we're seeing such great acceleration in our business. The first half financially has been remarkable. When you compare us to the first half of 2020, we're up 77% in revenue terms to £24 million for the first half. It's great when we do fantastic revenue, but it's even better when we do great EBITDA, and I can say that that's what's happened this time. Consistent with last year, we've done 33.8 percentage point margin, which translates into an £8.1 million number, which is 78% up on the same period last year. So if we drop down to profit before tax, again, at that level, we're performing absolutely brilliantly, 145% up on a like-for-like basis, and it's 6.4 million in pound terms. Adjusted basic earnings per share is 13.5p, which just follows on from stellar profitability figures. This is 64% better than our like-for-like period last year. So we're very happy. All the profitability has flowed through. Well, following on from the magnificent performance of the entire business, the US in particular has had a wonderful first half of the year. They've grown over 100% in this period, which in that market is phenomenal. Well, we've hired super talent. We've got a brilliant leader out there who you're about to hear from. He has done a fantastic job assembling a great group of partners around him. The US is a market which is very open to disruptors, very open to entrepreneurial thinking, and actually are crying out for more nimble, creative consultancies. And this is why our model is working so well there. And it's credit to Eric and his team as to how well we've done there with over 100% growth this year.
I have over 30 years of consulting experience. I've been through various parts of the industry. So I spent a lot of my time in the early stages doing large-scale back office enterprise transformations. And I was one of the founding partners at Emphasis Consulting. We grew that business very quickly over a period of 5 or 6 years and scaled it up to about 3,000 people. The US market is a massive opportunity for Elixirr. It's twice the size of the European market, tons of companies, tons of industries, and lots of clients who are looking to continue to evolve their businesses and stay ahead. One of the things our clients consistently tell me is the quality and the talent bar of your team is second to none. And I take a lot of pride in that. I think as we grow our business and we scale our business, we have to be very careful that we're not compromising on talent. We have a super high bar, both in terms of intellect, quality, creative, entrepreneurialism. These are things we look for in our people. We've hired 4 new partners this year, and those partners have come in and hit the ground running. They're bringing in other clients from their networks, other leads. They're bringing in new ideas, new service offerings, new service areas that they've worked on in the past that's adding to our capability set. We've had some good acquisitions globally that are adding more and more capabilities to what we can bring to our clients. So for example, we're working with a dental insurance client, and along the way we uncovered that this business needed a better way of engaging with their customers digitally, for example, for self-service. So we're using our Den Creative capabilities to redesign their provider portal on their website to provide a better experience for their dentists. We brought Return in to talk to one of our insurance clients where we've been on the front end doing digital transformation work, and they were struggling with budgets. We brought in Return to think about how we can take some cost out of their business to self-fund the digital part of their transformation, which has been very well received. So I think we're well positioned to keep this kind of growth going.
Well, the main factors for our outstanding success in this half of the year have really been our focus on our 4-pillar strategy. The first 3 being the organic pillars. We've promoted partners. We've got 2 new partners coming through, and that's testament to the wonderful talent that we're growing within the firm. We've hired 6 partners, 4 in the US, 2 in the UK. And then the third element to that is getting more revenue per partner. You know, the options program we have in place and the motivation model we have for our partners is wonderful. There's such good teamwork, and this means our partner performance is improving and revenue per partner is the consequence. I mean, we continuously get clients saying to us that they're astounded at the quality and the speed with which we do things. And that's just a continuation of a culture that we've built within the firm. Clients just love working with our teams, and our people have just done a super job. So as investors will know, prior to the IPO, we implemented an options scheme which is still rolling. But candidly, we wanted to add more. In the true Elixirr style, we wanted to make our employees far more engaged with commercial side of entrepreneurial risk. And to this end, in June of 2021, we implemented an employee share purchase scheme. But in true Elixirr style, we haven't done it the way other people have done it. We allow employees to take, at certain levels, up to 10%, and at other levels, up to 20% of their salary sacrificed. That's crucially important because we expect our employees to take some risk. That's the risk. They need to give up some of their salary. If they do that, we will match 100%. No one does that. 100% in equity. Yeah, we had over 50% of our team took this up. That just shows the nature of the people we have in our firm and the commitment they have to producing fantastic results for our clients, which will translate into fantastic results for our firm. So the fourth growth pillar is equally as important as the three organic, and that has been simply amazing. Investors will know of our acquisition of Coast in the last half of last year and our acquisition of Return in the first half of this year. We have a fantastic pipeline going forward, and we will continue with that strategy, but we've seen great improvements in profitability on both Coast and Return because we are selling into our clients and we're seeing great margins resulting from that. We're also seeing fantastic improvement in actual revenue quantum. You know, we're seeing more projects being done, a lot of cross-sell happening. So, you know, that strategy is working a treat. I think my partners are embracing the model very well, and the outcome is for all to see. The performance is there. The momentum in the business is amazing, and I just see this continuing into the second half of the year. We can already see that the first few months are exceeding expectation. It's so much so that we're now looking at a forecast of 47 to 50 million. I think investors will recall we said it would be the top end of our previous forecast, which is 44 to 47. And with regards to EBITDA, we expect it to be in the 30 to 32 percentage point range. We're not stopping there either. You know, I can just see this business on a trajectory. If we continue to build on all four of those platforms, the pillars that we've spoken about, we continue to build our brand and our reputation in the marketplace, continue to deliver great quality work to our clients, and provide a platform for talented entrepreneurs to become the best they can be, then we deliver the best we could possibly deliver in the marketplace to our clients. I don't think there's another firm out there doing that, and our clients are telling us our performance is second to none. My ambition for this company in a nutshell is to build the best consulting firm in the world, and to that end, I want us to be of a scale that we can legitimately claim that position. So I want us to be $1 billion in market capitalization, basically a services unicorn. And I want the world's best strategy consultancies to turn around and go, where the hell did they come from? I want to catch them by surprise.